Good morning from Gulf Shores, Alabama. Today we're going to be looking at a 2020 Boston Whaler 315 Conquest with white rub rails with stainless steel insert, full bow cushion, bow shade, sure shade, silver striping, and the platinum lettering. We ordered this boat with twin 350s, underwater lighting, trim tabs. Standing in the boat looking around a little bit, you notice we have a port side bench seat, rod holders, aft live well, full bench seat that folds up flush when you're out fishing, toe grips, the port and starboard side icebox, cockpit fridge, places to store your tackle, a little footrest there when you're wanting to sit in the boat facing aft, cockpit fridge, sink, this boat we did order with the joystick, helm AC, smart craft, the cable that pulls out here, and this cushion you can remove so you can sit facing forward and aft and have a conversation or a meal. Notice it's got a full windshield all the way up to the top. Standing inside the boat now, you'll notice a nice roomy forward berth. Obviously a tabletop that goes underneath those cushions. Sink, range top microwave, TV, fridge. Got a roomy mid berth. Nice roomy head with shower and vacuum flush head. If you have questions about this boat, please give us a call here at the store, 251-981-1113.